What is the actual ROAS or return on ads we see after spending $1,000 as we are scaling on Amazon? This was a question one of my colleague asked me when we asked him to launch his brand on Amazon. That was a real question because in he also referred that in my previous videos I have explained everything related to the feces, like 4 or 5 kinds of feces. So he already knew that what exactly it cost to sell on Amazon, but not what kind of return he can expect on the ads when he start running the ones. Just to give him and you guys some more knowledge, like what kind of ROAS we can expect on Amazon, I have pulled two real-time account seller centrals that I was just reviewing those as well, like how our ROAS is going on with them. Just to match our criteria of $1,000, I have set for the first account, I have set the timeline to just 3 days, 30th, 31st, and April 1st. So this was just to give you, like, we spent $1,100 on this account. Now this account is already in a scaling phase, so our ACOS, advertising cost of sale, is 27%, ROAS is at 3.73%, but the bigger question is how much we got from this. So let's have a look at this, the long term. So the long term sales are $4,659 after spending almost $1,100. Is a pretty much good ROAS with 3.63. We do not see a similar kind of success at scale. Remember, this is just 3 days of that. If I just change it to, let's suppose, last 30 days, just to show you the scale it have. So last 30 days we have spent almost $12,500. Our ROAS is 3.23, and we are close to $50,000 in the sales. So isn't it pretty crazy for a brand with just one product? This is a really good success. Yeah. Just to show you some more numbers, another brand who are spending a bit lesser than the previous brand, but in this case we have spent $1,100, very controlled spend. The ROAS is crazy, like 4.57, and we have sales around $5,200 by just spending 1,100. So I haven't seen similar kind of ROAS for at scale, and for a lot of brands we are seeing similar results. And obviously this does not mean that you will start advertising and you will start seeing the results. This means you will need to bet on someone who can manage it with systems, who can make the changes that are needed to succeed on Amazon, and slowly can start seeing the similar results for the brand. I hope this answers your question, how much sales you can see on the $1,000. And yeah, so catch you in another video.